And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Some areas getting nice sunshine right now. Other areas are cloudy, and we're cloudy in downtown Delphi right now. There, where we're tracking a little shower that's coming just right into Delphi. Little isolated showers, kind of wetting the streets down a little bit here. And you can see that on radar right there, that little shower coming in from the northeast. And really since last night, this morning, this morning we had a few spits of drizzle, a shower or two. And then this afternoon, they've kind of lingered on with some of this cooler air aloft. We've had a random isolated shower or two, mainly down in our east and southeastern areas. Now, we've got this one around Delphi. It looks like another little shower trying to form here north of Flora. The best chance is going to be in the east, like Fulton, Miami, Cass, Howard, Clinton, Montgomery, but even as far west as Delphi Carroll and Tippecanoe County, you can't rule out now maybe one of these little sprinkles or very small, tiny little showers. That's a really little one right there working southward in Cass County. And then we got this little shower here that's tiny just to the east of Kokomo that's moving southward and will cross US 35 soon. Then we focus on Helene, which will become a major hurricane with time, a 3 or 4 landfall, very large. Already what we'll call a predecessor rainfall event is underway. Northern Florida, that's usually a band of heavy rain you get well ahead of the hurricane, and it's in rapid intensification mode right now as it gets farther away from the drying influences, that is, of drier air off Cuba, off land. So this is moving towards the Big Bend of Florida. We'll send a wall of water 10 to 20 feet high right into the Big Bend, move over Atlanta, and then eventually kind of back to the northwest as this little upper low north of Memphis pulls it in. And we call this the Fujiwara effect, where the tropical system kind of pinwheels around the low, and eventually one of them will engulf the other. So eventually we'll have one main storm system, and that will move right over our area over the weekend. So just a lot of little bits to talk about tonight, just all thrown into this weather story, a goulash of weather tonight. Isolated shower or two, mainly east-southeast this evening, and then some partial clearing, and it's patchy fog late, near 50 in the northwest to mid and upper 50s as you go southeastward. The weather goulash tomorrow is some patchy fog in the morning, nothing more than an isolated sprinkle, and it's a mix of sun and clouds and a strengthening northeast wind with 78 for the high, upper 70s to right around 80. Going to do it area wide. Friday's just all out windy. That northeast wind really kicking up. We eventually become mostly cloudy. A few showers towards evening. Look at those gusts, 30 to 45. Sustained at 20 to 30, upper 70s for highs, 61 in the morning. And keep in mind, if you've got a Friday night frenzy game, that's going to be a strong northeast wind coming in if you're trying to kick a field goal. So know where that field goal is oriented with the wind. There are your clouds coming in tomorrow, maybe an isolated sprinkle, and then watch on Friday evening. Some showers try to come in from the southeast, courtesy of Helene, and then the upper low to our southwest. So one little band of rain comes through Saturday morning, a break for part of the afternoon. Then it's kind of off and on showery Sunday and then right into Monday. And I do expect anywhere from near a half an inch to some places getting as much as an inch, inch and a quarter of rain before it's all said and done by Monday night. Upper 70s Saturday and Sunday, 77 Monday, still kind of breezy to windy, and then really nice weather Tuesday through Saturday with lots of sun.